In this video, you'll learn how to get started with proximal caries detection in Trios DX. This visualization aid to the standard dental examination gives the dentist an objective and comparative view that supports well-informed decisions. Open your case and enter Trios DX. By default, you will land in the Diagnose tab under Inspect. Scans are arranged chronologically on the timeline, each labeled with the date it was taken. In this particular case, there's only one scan on the timeline. In Inspect, you can examine this scan in detail to review any detected pathologies. If there are multiple scans, you can also examine each of them individually to compare and review the findings. The visualization aid appears in the left-hand menu. Proximal Caries is listed at the bottom. A quick guide window will appear, offering helpful tutorial materials, including explanations and case examples presented as an image set. Once you're familiar with the information, you can close the window. You can always reopen it later by selecting the Info button. Zoom and pan to get a closer look. The controls can be used to adjust contrast and brightness, enhancing visibility and improving clarity. To further improve patient communication, the whiteboard in the right-hand menu allows you to highlight, color, and comment on specific findings.